out. Uphill ski off first. You want to have your downhill ski. That's your brake, your edge. So as you're backing along the sled, here's one of the things you want to practice. You let go, it could be gone. Which happened to me one of the very first times I was doing this. Oh, nice. Twin tips can be good, can be a real pain in the ass. Twin tips, you've really got to come in sort of like this and let it have it sort of dig itself in.
So are we always going in the uphill loop?
Always in the uphill loop.
So we should be able to take a running leap, jump into this thing, and it should hold. Yeah, I mean, you got to build the.
I don't know if you want to do that now.
For the 300-pounder that you're going to come across. You know, I mean, yeah. Oh, great. A linebacker from the Broncos came up and hurt himself.
Yep.
Now what? It could be bomb-proof.
Okay, so now I've got it fairly well set. Now somebody else will come on scene. I'm going to give him the tail rope. It's always important. The tail rope is on the inside of your skis, not on the outside. Outside, one, he's got tension on it. It makes it very difficult to get my ski out. Two, since I'm an old New England skier, my edges are like razors. They'll cut through that thing awfully fast. Sitting there up above it and running the rope up and down on my edge. So now, if everything's pretty secure, there's not much snow there, so
I was
it's not
going to test you, but
giving us real